Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix Windows Update error code is 0x8024d009. So if you are facing this error, so how to fix this error? So firstly you need to search troubleshoot settings and open it. You see these three options, you need to click on other troubleshoots. Now here Windows Update, click on Run. Now wait some few minutes, this process will be complete. If this process will be complete, so close it. You see here close option, so close it. And your problem will be fixed. If it does not fix, so search CMD and click on it. Run as administrator, just click on it. Now here you need to type this command line sfc space / scan. This. So type this sfc space / scan now this command line and press enter in your keyboard. So after this process will be complete, so close it and restart your PC or laptop. And after restart, you can easily resolve this problem. So thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video and subscribe this channel for more useful videos. Thanks for watching again.